They throwing bats and shit. Damn. Alright, so I dropped the subs off Monday, and he said he was gonna start on it Wednesday, which was today, and possibly have them done Thursday night. So he sent me some pictures last night, Tuesday night, and he finished the GV5s, and he got the frames on the motor, on the DCs. So dropped a little pictures of those. Then Bob Cousin, he got a little audio shop on the west side. He don't keep nothing really in stock like that. He had just ordered through him. He got an X Max, same model, same ohm, so I might pick that up. So I'm gonna have 3 sets of 15 I can mess around with. Then I'm like, yeah, one of the point of me getting another box built, so I can just modify the one I got to fit. So that's the plan this next couple days. So y'all just stay tuned. I just picked up some more goodies. He gave me these. Just picked up another X Max D1, and I got me a bigger 4-channel for my door speakers. Go home and install these. Get this Impala, boy. I'll see what he's getting. Some signatures. It's clean. Everything's original. My goal was to have this Impala, the new body style Impala, good old V8. This truck's still up here. This little kid. You probably get them PRVs in there. show you. Here. Yep. That. One of those. These are the XV3s. This is ZV6. Nightshade 0.6. Yellow HD12. You got some stuff in here. I think that's what's in here. This big old deep box. Looks clean. Get this side. You feel the semi. Go ahead, open this bad boy. It's big. Hopefully, Alan can't hear. Shoot down. Yep, right here, perfect. Take this swallow. That out. Put this in there. Open up this box. So I'm gonna set these here. I'm gonna find me a knife. I know he might have one somewhere. Get a knife somewhere. Get a knife somewhere. Knife. That's a word. Oh, I want a knife. This is one knife. Okay. Got a knife. Got a knife. I might need that again. Pretty sure I am. Yep, I figured. Jesus, are you fucking kidding me? Sticker. X-Max 15. There it is. Yes, sir. Alright. Put this knife back and work on this amp. It's freaking hot. The way it's nice. Cool. Finally got it mounted. Good thumbnail. I am so tired. I almost forgot I got a hair appointment at freaking 4. Went home 8. Went out west. Picked this stuff up. Came out here. Cut me a board to mount that on there. I'm at half a tank. I'm about to see what gas is right here. I think it's cheaper by my house, to be honest. I don't know, Paula. I got a busy day at work tomorrow. It's 329. See what it is about my house. Alright, I'll catch y'all later. Tell you what, that amp made a big difference. Of course, it's a bit bigger, but it sounds pretty good. It's late. I'm tired. So I got a busy day tomorrow. So I'm just gonna leave this in here till tomorrow. I don't even know if it fits the box I got, but dude said I can bring the box tomorrow. And he can take a ride around it, open it up. But I need to wait until I get my DCs. Cody haven't mentioned today about them, so most likely tomorrow, like you said. You probably seen some pictures later tonight, though, because he probably just now getting home. But go ahead and relax. Ready for work. Track home. So yeah, end this video and pick up tomorrow. Need test fit these. So peace.